Ah! Keep hitting the camera, keep hitting you guys. I'm very sorry about that. I didn't mean it. Don't press charges.
Hey guys! Today, we are going to show you how to make the easiest fried rice in the world.
A couple months ago, my favorite Chinese food place got shut down. Now, I don't even know why they got shut down, but I can tell you this. Their fried rice was beyond beast. I thought immediately, what would happen if someone else's favorite place got shut down? They would be without their favorite fried rice. So we're gonna teach you how to make the super easy fried rice today. So before we begin, I just wanna give a quick shout out to our friend right here, Mr. Dubious Engineering. If you've ever been interested in building classic gaming machines, you're gonna wanna check out his channel.
For this recipe, you're going to need the following ingredients. Some peas, carrots, and corn. These were previously frozen, which we defrosted. 3 cloves of garlic. We're gonna make a little bit of a sweeter fried rice by adding some pineapple chunks.
You know what? At us. You got a problem with that? At us. Where is it? It's over here. At We Suck at Cooking.
Our yellow onion. Yellow onions tend to be generally sweeter than traditional white onions. Lastly, we have some green onion to garnish.
The frozen vegetables, we went ahead and submerged them in lukewarm water. Helps to defrost them and get them to not be so hard. We're gonna get some spice from our cayenne pepper. Now this is to taste. We have about a tablespoon here. And some red flake. We have about a tablespoon here. Myself and Jay are huge spice fans. If you watched our spicy ramen video, you would know that. Little shout out to our friend, Mr. Cooking with CJ, who commented on that video that I needed to work on my beard. Got the manly beard for the spice today. We also have a tablespoon of rice vinegar, 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 eggs. And last but not least, you're gonna need your rice. Now, with the rice, you need to make sure that you cooked it prior and that it's cold. That's very important.
Fried rice works best if you have day-old rice.
Neither one of us had day-old rice at home. It should not be an issue. We'll see. This is We Suck at Cooking.
So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be mincing our garlic, sweating them by smashing them with the blade of your knife, and then just chopping them up as finely as possible. This is pretty big onion, so I don't think we're going to be using all of it. That is going to be diced as well, but not as finely as the garlic. And since we are garnishing with green onion, I will be chopping them to some small slices.
We're gonna take the eggs, this is very standard stuff, crack them, put them in there, whip them up, and we're done. Don't be afraid to make a mess. Cooking is messy and it's a fun time. All right guys, now that our ingredients have been prepped, we are ready to move over to the stove. So with our pan nicely oiled, we're gonna let it heat up just a little bit, and then Jay's gonna go ahead and drop in our whisked egg.
It's essentially going to cook kind of like an omelet. We're gonna let it cook on medium to low heat.
We got this cerulean sea salt. And we're just gonna go ahead and cover that.
Once it starts solidifying, we're gonna be using our spatula to break it up into chunks. You don't want one solid piece, you want small pieces.
Ah! Keep hitting the camera, keep hitting you guys. I'm very sorry about that. I didn't mean it. Don't press charges. Remember to have your camera while you're cooking.
Drop the camera, right?
Yep. Just drop a $300 action cam into the mixture there. It really brings out the flavoring.
We're going to be moving on to just briefly warming up our vegetables. So we have the peas and carrots, we have our onions and the garlic. We're going to be warming those up.
Carrots, peas, and corn right into the mixture. Shaky cam. Okay, so you want to get the egg kind of on top of everything else because it's already cooked. Oh, you had more.
Yeah.
Jay had more. He stashed some away. Yeah, get it in there.
Once we add our rice, we're gonna let it warm up so that we can start mixing it a little bit better. Once we have it separated a little bit, that's when we're going to add our soy sauce.
That rice is starting to look pretty good. And y'all know when I get that country accent, it's time. It's time for that good food. So now Jay's coming in with that rice vinegar. That's gonna give it a little bit of sweetness.
What was this?
Cayenne pepper.
Cayenne pepper. Sorry, I forgot. Gonna give it a little bit of a sprinkle.
Yep. So now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the red flake right here, just to give it some extra kick. So here's the pineapple, right in there. And Jerry's gonna mix it up.
Just gonna go ahead and let it cool down a bit before we get into the taste test.
And there you have it, guys. Our easiest ever fried rice. This might be one of my favorite fried rices we've ever done. The fact that it's sticky but also fried is actually kind of awesome. Cheers. Here we go. This is great. Pineapple just completely adds the sweetness that just mixes so well with the spice.
If you want to kick up your fried rice like we do, we have
Hoi Fung Sriracha. We actually live really close to where they make this stuff. We're practically neighbors. Hoi Fung, hit us up with a sponsorship. We just want tastes of sriracha. This is the one you need to make. Make sure that when you make it, you leave a comment down below, or you hit us up on our Twitter or Instagram. Make sure you're using that hashtag WeSuckAtCooking or WSAC. There is our easiest ever fried rice.
As you can see, we finished the bowl.
This is too good. I need more. If you liked what we did here today and you're new, hit that subscribe button and make sure you're hitting that notification bell to be part of the notification squad. Make sure you like and comment and make sure to share with all your friends.
That being said, we'll see you in the next episode.
Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.